We go to question number 32, longest valid parenthesis. This is hard question. Let's get into it. Wow, it has a lot of sum up. Okay, cool. Okay, given a string containing just the characters, open parenthesis and close parenthesis, find the length of the longest valid well-formed parenthesis substrings. Okay, let's check it. Example 1. In this time, open, close. So this is valid, so return 2. Next is close, open. So it must be start from here. Close and open, close, close. So this one valid, and then this one also valid. So return is 4. Does this make sense? Okay, next is they are empty, so length is 0. Okay, cool. Okay, how we gonna do? Okay, actually, the parenthesis question of lit code, maybe, I think there are maybe two types, most two types. The first is the generate parenthesis. In this case, we're gonna use backtracking with the recursion, because the reason is we need to make all of combination, and then this kind of question, that means find the length. Normally we are able to use the stack. The reason is when they open parentheses, and then when we meet the closes, and then it must be matching with recently opened open parentheses. Does this make sense? So stack is the last in, first out. So that is the reason why it the length question of the parenthesis is well matched with the stack. Does this make sense? So today I'm gonna use the stack. So okay, let's get into it. First, let's make approach first. So today we're gonna use the stack, and then let me use this one. Given, and then we're gonna make the one stack. So first, create a stack, and then next is iterate as. So first is here, and then I'm gonna put stack index, because to get the length of index, max length, I'm gonna use current index minus stack minus last one. So first, this is open parenthesis. I just put index here, and then open parenthesis, put index, and then when it is closes, I gonna check this one with the recently. So recent one is 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1, but our answer is must 2, right? So in this case, before calculating, I'm gonna use stack pop. So my approach is iteration s, and then when is the checkpoint? Yeah, that's right. When we meet with the close parenthesis, that time we find the complete valid parenthesis, right? So in this case is 2. So if there are this one, maybe there is checkpoint to the 2 to find the max length. First is here, and the second is here. All of the time we meet the close parenthesis. Does this make sense? So character is close parenthesis. It's time to check the max length. First, I'm gonna stack pop to find the correct length, and then if stack is exist, because we gotta find the stack, and then at that time max length is max length is current index minus stack minus 1. And then otherwise I will increase I'm going to increase stack append. Okay, and then append I. And then finally I will return max value. Okay, I think maybe there are some edge cases. So first let me implement first, and then after testing the code, okay, let's do debugging, let's edge case handling. Okay, cool. So first, okay, in this time, before that, let's check the complexity. First, okay, what is the time complexity? Time complexity is big O n because we just scan string that is just to be one pass, and then space complexity must be linear because we will gonna use the stack. Okay, cool. So first to use the stack is empty, and then need the max length to store max length. Initialize with 0, and then I need index for calculate max length, and I also need the character of s. So if character is close parenthesis, first I need to stack pop, and then if stack max length is max length with current index minus stacks index, and then next is stack append current index, return max length. Okay, let's check with the code first. Let's use this one. And then stack is must be empty. And then now we are here. So this is open parenthesis. So just add index 0. And then next also open parenthesis. So insert 1. Now it's time to check. First I need to pop, and then calculate the max length. Is current is 2 minus 0, so 2. Then now we are here. So increase 3. Oh, increase not 2 and 3, right? And then now here, and then it's time to find first is pop, to pop. So now current is 4 minus 2 is 2. But at this time, we needed to return 4. How are we gonna do? Yeah, that's right. Just we. Okay, let's go back to here. Now we are here. If we did not input this one, did not put this one, after calculate it, maybe at this time we can calculate with this one, right? Because this is 3 and now, and then this pop is 4 minus 0 is length is 4. So at this time, when I check when I calculate the max length, I will continue. Now we're gonna check which continue is okay. First I will check from here. So let's do it again. First 0 and then 1, and now it's time to check. So pub is here, and then okay, pub is here, and then length is 2. Okay, cool. And then next is add. So this time the 3, and okay, now is 1 3, and then 4, and then this one was 4. So okay, I think this is okay. Okay, let's check it the code. Pub is empty. Oh, okay. Oh, test case is different. Okay, this case. Oh, I see. The reason is when I just start here and the pop is empty, right? So empty state, we start from close if analysis. So stack pop is what we are able to do. And this time maybe we can do if stack is pop. Then okay, let's check it again. 5. And then this one is skip, and then this one also skip, right? This is maximum, and then now going to here, open parenthesis, step 1, and then this is close. So this is pop, and then oh, this is cannot calculate this one. So okay, let's do another. Okay, what is another option? That's right, we include this one is 0. And then if I put it 0, and then that is 0, and this is, so at this time I need to par this one, and then next I will put this one is continue, so cannot put, I see. Okay, then the rest the continues here. Then so in this time this is pop, and that pop is this one, but at this time this is did not going to continue, right? So append 0 again, and now we fill 1, and now it's 2. So okay, cool. So we can able to get this one. Okay, let's check one more edge case. How about this one? And then first, yeah, that's right. That is Google speaker. Sometime, yeah. I think that she is very lonely. So sometime without, okay, Google. Yeah, she want to try to talk to me. Okay. 0. At this time, I put the 0, and now I still need to check the pop. But at this time, we need to calculate 1 minus 0. So max length is 1. But at this time, we need to return 2. How are we going to do that? That's right. So it's to be return minus 1. If we start minus 1, okay, let's check it again. And the 0, and then now is delete 1, and then quantile is 1 minus 1 is 2. Does this make sense? Alright, so this is minus 1. Okay, let's check the code. Cool. Cool. Wow, 99. Awesome. Okay, cool. So, okay, my solution is stack solution. So this is the linear time with linear space. Thank you.